inclined plane and hits the wheel. The wheel rolls down while a marble is underneath it. The wheel triggers the Chinese trap to let this side up so the marble can roll through to the other inclined plane, which falls into a cup, which pulls the wedge out to let the marble go down a spiral to activate a mousetrap, which continues the electrical circuit to activate the motor over here. The motor then rotates and has a slit to let through 2 to 3 marbles at a time to hit the wheel, rotate it around the axis. The axis then pulls out a marble. Then the marble rolls and activates the next project.
So the marble's going to come down, pop a balloon, and the balloon's going to fill up this river. At the same time that the balloon's filling all that up, the pulley's going to send some marbles down a screw, hit a couple levers, activate a switch that starts the fan motor to move the boat across. The boat's going to hit a marble, which hits a mousetrap, which pulls out another wedge, and sends a marble down to hit the switch to shoot the catapult into the next project.
Alright, and then the marble hit the cloth to catch the marble, and it'll roll down this inclined plane into the screw, which will activate this switch, which activates our speaker, and then this car will roll down the inclined plane, hitting the marble on the other inclined plane, landing in the bucket, which will start the pulley system and let that pull out the wedge there and have the marble roll down, hit the switch, and then our weight will hit the lever, which will strike the match and start their project.
And this fuse will burn, releasing through this pulley system the rock, which will start the siphon around the screw, which will have water travel down the inclined plane, fill this cup through another pulley system, which will lift the lever, which will pull out a wedge, shoot this bolt into this, and then pull out the wedge under this wheel and axle and start your project.
Wheel and axle follows right there, pulls out a wedge. Marble rolls down, hits that thing, which hits that marble. It goes down 2 levels onto this part right here, which falls onto the mousetrap, which pulls this lever out, which marble comes through, which is up there already, hits the toilet bowl, goes all the way down, hits another marble right there, which continues to roll down, hits the wheel, rolls on, and sets off their project.
Which then sets off a mousetrap, which pulls out a wedge up here, setting off the marble down a continuous inclined plane down the wall, which gets caught in this bucket here, which pulls out a wedge along this wheel, causing this marble to roll down our homemade spiral, knocking into this marble, which catches into this homemade bucket, which causes the pulley system and raises our flag.
It worked.